Hi, good afternoon, Comox. Jasmeet here again. Doing another walk around on the new fresh inventory we just got. It's a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe, just at the back, on my back. It's a one owner, no accident vehicle. Just got in as a trade-in. Beautiful vehicle, top of the line. I'm gonna give you a walk around, see what you're gonna get for this price of money. So this is 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe, limited edition, 2-liter turbo, all-wheel drive. One owner, no accident. Bought it here at Comox Hyundai. Serviced here regularly. Very well maintained. No accident on the vehicle. Just traded in for another one bigger vehicle. So you can see there's not even a single scratch on the whole body. It's all accessorized with the trunk lip protector, 19-inch alloys with mud and snow all season. Keyless entry, push button start. Auto trunk opener. Lots of room at the back if you're a golfer or a traveler or doing camping. Lots of storage. Do have a hideout. Seats fold fully flat, and you can drop your seats down from here. Rear heated seats with a shade. Plug-ins, leather interior, memory seats. This is also have a seat extender. As you can see, it gets extended. Not every car has it. Panoramic roof. Super low kilometers with 71,000 kilometers. Map, navigation, cooling seats for summers. 360 camera. As you can see, 71,000 K. Memory seats. Also have adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitor. Top of the line, all the bells and whistles with heads-up display. If you want to take it for a drive, it's a similar size of Kia Sorento. If you don't need third row seating, this is a perfect vehicle SUV for you guys. Come see Jasmeet at Comox Hyundai for test drive. Thank you.